So in this video, I want to show you how to enable or disable Windows notifications on ASUS TUF gaming laptop. To do this, first you will need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, then open System, Notifications. Right here we can activate or deactivate notifications. You can also click on the arrow to reveal all of the options. And when the notifications are on, you can also enable or disable allow notifications to play sounds, show notifications on a lock screen, show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on a lock screen. And as you can see, we can turn them off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.